What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be going over, is CPA marketing dead in 2026? Is it still worth it in 2026? However you want to phrase it. I've been getting a ton of DMs. I've been posting on Instagram, so a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram and be like, Chanel, you still do CPA marketing? Is CPA marketing still a good business model to try? Things like that. So this is who the video is actually for. But before I go into the actual video, for anybody new to this channel, I just want to let you know that I'm not somebody who just got rich from making YouTube videos and selling courses and stuff like that, right? So you can go back to my first video on this channel. You can see I started off with proof of making money with CPA marketing. I've been doing this for probably like close to 10 years now, I want to say. And I started this channel probably like 8 years ago, I want to say. Could be longer, honestly. So everything that I'm about to discuss in this video is going to basically be from experience. It's not like theory and stuff like that. Somebody that's actually in the field running campaigns right now, ad spending right now. Because like a lot of people, when they talk about their expertise on YouTube, that's not usually the case, right? First things first, I feel like you're in luck because the barrier to entry to CPA marketing, I feel like, has dropped. Now, why do I feel like it's dropped? I feel like it's dropped because the AI tools, and I don't want to sound cliche because I barely wanted to say AI tools, because I know AI is like the new buzzword and things like that. But honestly, the AI tools that I have been using to implement things into my business has basically made testing out offers like a way faster process. Things that would take days now, I can spin up in a few hours, right? And that used to be a big barrier for newbies, is just basically the tech stuff, right? Setting up the pages and things like that. People weren't really like web design experienced, or web developer experience. So it's like, you don't have to be a web developer, you don't need to understand web design. Really, they have tools out there now where you can just implement certain things within this business model very, very quickly. Start testing offers out very, very quickly, and that way you can find a winner pretty fast. Like, so the people losing money right now, in my opinion, are just people who are using old, outdated methods when it comes to like testing, getting new campaigns set up. Because for some people it does take them a long time to even get a campaign set up and test it. Like, it can take them over a week just to build out one campaign, right, using the old methods. But the things I'm gonna be teaching going forward on this channel is definitely going to speed that process up, right? So you don't need a big budget. Also, like, the way I've been testing, like, guys, I'm telling you, you don't need a big budget. You just need the right testing method and the right tools. So with my new implementation strategies, like, when I show you like how I put the tools together with my testing strategy, you're gonna see, like, oh, okay. Like, you're gonna understand, like, all right, I can test out things way more faster, right? Because yes, you still do need to test. You still can't eliminate that process with CPA marketing. So yes, you do need some budget, but you don't need like this huge big budget. In the past year, I definitely like refined my testing process. So I definitely want to make a video going forward on my testing process. And so yeah, I feel like the opportunity right now is actually bigger because most people haven't caught up yet. Most people haven't caught on to the new methods of like basically testing out a bunch of offers like very, very cheaply, finding winners. So I feel like a lot of people kind of just fell off CPA marketing. A lot of people went to like trading, or maybe they went over to drop shipping and things like that, TikTok shop or something. So right now I feel like it's opportunity, less people to rip your campaigns and stuff, like less competition, things like that, right, on these traffic sources when it comes to these CPA marketing offers. So yeah, I mean, I went quiet for over a year. I would just needed to basically rebuild my entire system. It was some things that just wasn't working in my business that I felt like I needed to refine before I'm just on this channel teaching, because of course it's business first, then this channel is all about helping people. Because videos like this is what inspired me to take action on this business model. It's people making videos on CPA marketing, showing the lifestyle, showing the travel, showing all that stuff that inspired me to want to do this. And then I made it happen for myself, so I pay it forward by making these videos, right? So I'm not going to sit here and be teaching some outdated systems and teaching you guys what's not going to lead to actual success. If I'm going to teach something, I want to make sure that it actually works. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much what I've been doing, just rebuilding my system, refining my testing process, and yeah, rebuilding myself. all type of stuff, right? And now I'm back. So if you're somebody who you want to learn more about CPA marketing, I'm not selling courses anymore. I just felt like I did want to update my course, but what happened was I just felt like if I put all my new methods in a course, like I just felt like somebody just gonna rip it, because a lot of my old content was just getting ripped and people were just reselling my course for like $30 and stuff like that. So it's just like I don't even want to have to deal with somebody just buying my new information, charging it back, and then just throw it up on the free website and then to resell it. Because I mean, that's some people's business model, is reselling people's courses and stuff like that. Which, respect to y'all, I don't hate on nobody's grind, but at the end of the day, I'm just choosing no longer to sell courses going forward. I only want to do personal, like one-on-one stuff, right? I just recently launched my accelerator. So my accelerator is basically like a one-on-one thing where I basically help you implement my new system and basically build out, test, scale, all that in the next 4 weeks with me one-on-one personally, right? So if that's something that interests you, where you're somebody who want to work alongside somebody who actually is in the field running marketing campaigns, making a living for themselves by not posting on YouTube and all this other stuff, but actually making a living for themselves by actually running a business that definitely allows freedom. Because once you have these campaigns running and scaled and optimized, you're basically, it's, I ain't gonna say printing money because that's so cliche, like it's just, you make money and you get to enjoy life, let's just say that, right? I have a bunch of time I've been able to put back into myself, you guys. I've been able to work on myself a lot more, and it's thanks to this business model. And so I mean, I'm definitely still paying it forward. It's just I'm not gonna be doing it in a way of just like selling you a course or something. Plus, I feel like a lot of people don't even take action on courses, but I feel like me and you working one on one, side by side on a call, and like step by step, like, no, do this, do that, click this, click that, like, all right, you tested this, how, let's look at the numbers together, all right, let's optimize together, let's scale together, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's the new wave towards the future, instead of just giving people the information and say, hey, do it yourself. Like, I don't feel like that's pretty much effective anymore in this day and age. A lot of people just really do need their handheld, and that's what my accelerator is about. So if you're interested in that, just check the link down below this video for that, or you can just like DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you, because I do check my DMs a couple times a week, so or email, things like that. But yeah, I'm just yapping at this point, so I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap this video up. But yeah, guys, that's just pretty much the update on is CPA marketing worth it in 2026. So you guys got my take. Some other people might say, hey, no, it's totally dead. I mean, I spent the year behind the scenes updating my whole system, changing the way I implement my strategies. So I mean, it still works for me. So if you guys want to work with me, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.